Don't screw this up, shitface.
Why did we call you Cheese?
Maybe it's because his face looks like a pizza.
I think it's more pepperoni than cheese. You?
That is so disgusting. Where'd you guys?
Party at Ricky's house, go home and get dressed.
Awesome.
Well, where's Ricky's house?
Yeah, thanks for letting us use your pool, man. Let us know when your parents are out of town again.
Hey. Have fun at your.
The party?
Yeah.
Do I have a choice? Is there something else to do?
Well, you know, you are asking the wrong guy.
Why is that?
I'm just the pizza boy.
Right. Well, take care.